Hi guys, this is Wemi here. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, and thank you so much to my current subscribers for your support. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button to become part of this family, and click on the notification bell for whenever I post a video you could be notified. All right, so let's get right into this video. Okay, so as you see guys, I have a new hair. She's new. She is new on the block. Okay, what you call her? Give me a name for her in the comment section below. Okay, so if you want to see how I get this crochet wig, so stay tuned. All right. Okay guys, let's get to the details of this video. As you can see, I'm using one of my tripods to attach the wig head over, which is ghetto. Okay. I don't have the regular things for that. So I got this here from Amazon. It is the Passion Twist braiding hair. I did this, I got this here from the same vendor, which is the black wig on my head right now in the video. The number of this color is T30, but when it came, it says 1B/T30. So I'm not sure. At first, I didn't like the color because I'm like, oh, I really want it like blondish, but it turns out to be exactly what I envisioned. And the price for the hair was $25, and the inch I got 10. I think, yeah, I think it was 10 inches. And the pack have 7 little packs inside a big package. Okay, and it came with these little goodies, the needle, rubber bands, and some other things. So what you will need, a wave cap. I got a different weave cap compared to the one that I did with the black wig. If you haven't seen that video, go see it. So you see that one, the rim of the wig cap, it's smoother and it will not put much tension on your edges as the one with the black, because I couldn't find that one. So although that the one with the black wig, it's stronger and the quality is great, but I don't like when it's like around my forehead and then it's just like it puts some more tension, and I have to put another weave cap so it doesn't damage my edges. And at first, when I got the weave cap, I thought it was black. So when I opened it and I saw it was brown, I was like, oh, I was a little bummed. You see my face? But then I realized that the hair is brown, so it's okay, and I was happy. And guys, I'm gonna show you a little secret. I don't know if anybody have done this, but I'm gonna show you this because I was thinking about it. When I wear this black wig on my head and when it's windy outside, the hair goes back. I'm like, oh my God, people are gonna see I'm wearing a wig. So what I realized, I'm like, how can I solve that problem? So you will see that. You will see that I'm putting the hair close to the edges of the edge of the wig cap, but do not put it underneath it because it's elastic. So if you put it through it, it will be very tight, and then you don't want the elastics inside the around the weave cap to pop. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but just watch what I'm doing. Okay, I did it very close, and then once I'm done with that, all around the pyramid of the wig cap, I will cut it and trim it. So if I go outside and it's windy, it's going to be a little hard to trying to push the needle through it because it's elastic, but you can do it. You can do it because I did it. It's possible. All right. So once you get it, just make the hair really thin because you don't want to be like thick hair, bulky hair. So you want it to be really, really thin. Just like if you're creating edges, okay? Just like that. So I'm done, and once I'm done with all the wig, I'm not gonna cut it right now because I don't want it to be messy and anything. I wasn't planning on cutting the back of it. I think I cut the back of it. I'm not sure if you guys already know how I do the crochet. It's just like regular crochet, as if you put in crochet on your own head. You just make sure that you don't do it one hole on the needle, the wig cap. Do it as maybe like 4 holes, 5 holes, okay? So you don't want it to rip. If you do it 2 holes, 3 holes, it's gonna be too clustered, and then you're gonna run out of hair, okay? And then it's gonna rip. So, okay, I'm going to show you guys a second trick and a little clip. Okay, so all you do, you just put the needle through, you loop it one time, a second time, a third time. Just do it as you feel secure, and then you just tie the hair. Okay, so as I continue to do the wig, guys, what I did once I get closer to the top of the wig, right? So since the hair is it's ombre brown, right? So the tip of the hair it's blonde, and I want that, to be in the bang, right? Because I was planning to do a bang, which now I regret I did the bang. Let me know if the bang is look nice. So I once if the bang is too long, when I cut it, I won't have that color, that ombre effect on the wig. So what I did, watch what I'm doing. I don't know if I'll be best to explain it to you guys. And I also did that another technique to make sure that the hair is not gappy on top of it. So even if you part the hair, you do not see my own hair underneath it, and you do not see the wave cap. Okay, so I was trying to explain it again. Now, guys, let me see if I can try to explain to you for the bang part. Okay, so the bang, the hair, the tip, it's ombre brown, and the tip is blonde, kind of. So I wanted that color to be in the bang, because if I left the hair long, I would not have that color. I would just have the brown part. So what I did, I take the string of the hair, just don't make it equal in length, so one short and one long. So I did the short part just as regular looping, and then I took the other part of the hair, the longer part, and just loop it again as if I had just a brand new string of hair. I don't know if I'm explaining it well to you guys. Let me know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna do it one more time so you can see for yourself. Okay? In doing this, because I don't do it close to each other, so if I take one string and do it on the other side and I do another part, so it creates that foundation. It creates that foundation where if you part the hair, you will not see the wave cap, which you will see. Guys, I'm done with this wig. Let me show you the what I was showing you earlier, how it's just like it will be. Where is it? Oh yeah, I think I lost the front now. Where's the front of the thing? See, now you cannot really see the nothing. It just looks like it's it's here. See, so now do you understand what I was trying to do? So now that I'm cutting the hair, the baby hair, quote unquote. So I went back and cut it shorter, because if I left it that long, it would defeat the purpose of me creating baby hair. Okay. I Oh, this feels comfortable. I like I really like the wig, the cap. because this is light. Oh my god, I don't feel nothing on my head. You guys like it like that, or just cut it into a bang like the black one? I don't know. I don't know if I want to cut it. 'Cause see, it just looks blend. I just trimmed it, see? And this is what I was showing you guys. See that? I don't know if I can even like wear it like this. I really can wear it like this if I want to, you know, and maybe like this. You see, like this, I was telling you guys, like, how you can't really see the cap. Maybe I shouldn't cut it, but it's too late now. Okay. Okay guys, you saw how I achieved this wig. How do you guys feel about this wig? How do you guys think I look with this color? Let me know. Okay, be honest, let me know how this look. I was thinking maybe to just cut it. Let me show you guys. Just cut it to make it a little bit shorter, but the problem with this, I'll just try to show you guys what I'm talking about. You see right here, like, what do you guys think? Do you guys think it looks better like this or like this? Let me know. I really want to know, because I really want to cut it. But the problem with that, if I cut it, I'm going to have the blunt cut, the blunt ends, but it will still look like that. Just like I feel like the bang has a blunt cut, and I don't really like that. But guys, thank you for watching. Let me know how you feel about this wig. Let me know if I should cut it or if I should just leave it like this. I'm gonna have to fix that. I washed the hair, then I put some mousse in it. Okay, so let me know in the comment section below how you feel about this wig, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button, also the bell notification for whenever I post a video you could be notified. If you like this video, this wig, give me a thumbs up. Let me know how you feel about it, okay? Because I know some of you are shy, shy to comment, but just give me a thumbs up. Let me know how you feel about this wig. If you like this video, if you like this wig on me, give me a thumbs up and let me know what I should call her, okay? But like I always say, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day and weekend. I will see you on the next video. All right.